Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll explain why your Tabby card might be locked and show you exactly how to unlock it quickly. First, common reasons for a locked card include missed payments, suspicious transaction activity, or exceeding your credit limit. Next, the fastest way to check and unlock is through the Tabby app. Open the app and go to your card section. If it's locked, you'll typically see a notification or status message. Then, if the lock is due to a missed payment, you'll need to clear the overdue amount. Go to Payments in the app and settle any outstanding balance. After that, if your account is in good standing but still locked, contact Tabby support directly through the app. Go to Profile Help and Support Contact Us. They can quickly investigate and unlock your card. Once unlocked, your card should be immediately usable again. To prevent future locks, always make payments on time and monitor your spending against your limit. If this guide got your Tabby card working again, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.